In this video, we will demonstrate how easy it is to use the A1, abbreviation for Acrylic One water-based system, and create a column. Firstly, prepare the A1 components. All A1 components are by weight. Use an accurate scale and weigh 1 part A1 resin to 2 parts A1 powder. Firstly, prepare the initial batch of A1 resin using 250 grams of A1 liquid and 500 grams of A1 powder with 500 grams of yellow sand. Prepare the mold, which in this instance, there is no need to use any release agent, as A1 releases well from silicone. Add the powder to the liquid and mix well for about 2 minutes. Add in the sand and mix again for another minute. Add approximately 5 grams of Thixo-A or 5% of the A1 mixture and mix well for another 30 seconds. Once you have completed the mixing, clean the mixer with water. Apply the A1 mixture onto the mold and spread with a brush. The mixture will be thick due to the Thixo-A and will apply to the side walls without falling back. Ensure you have an even coat all round and that it looks about 3 millimeters thick. Once again, clean the brush off with water and ready for the next application. It's time for a good cup of coffee. Let the panel dry for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Now, we are ready for the next step. Prepare 125 grams of A1 liquid and 250 grams of A1 powder, as well as 250 grams of yellow sand. Repeat the same mixing process as before, excluding the Thixo. Clean the mixer with water. With a brush, apply a thin layer onto the surface and spread it evenly. Allow it to dry for approximately 20 minutes. Once again, wash the brush off with water. While you are waiting, weigh the next batch using 240 grams of A1 liquid and 900 grams of A1 powder. Also, cut 4 pieces of triaxial fiber the size of the mold. Now mix as before, remembering that you always mix the powder into the liquid and not vice versa. Mix for about 2 minutes. Wash the mixer off with water. Apply a thin layer onto the surface by brush and ensure you wet the whole area with the A1 mixture. Now mix as before, remembering that you always mix the powder into the liquid and not vice versa. Apply your first layer of triaxial fiber. Brush the triaxial fiber into place from the center to the edges to avoid any air entrapment. Then apply another layer of A1 mixture over the whole surface, ensuring the entire area is wet with resin. Once that is done, apply the next layer of triaxial fiber and repeat the same steps until all the layers are done, and finish off with a layer of A1 resin. Lunchtime, wait an hour. Remove the support mold off the silicone mold and then carefully remove the silicone mold off your newly produced A1 column. Wow, that looks great. So in a short while, you have produced a solid, lightweight, durable column. These are the advantages of using our Acrylic One water-based resin system. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like.